Hey, welcome back to the Solutions Center. I'm Aaron TV-Ball. Today we're here with Tegan Thorstensen, and we're talking Residio / Honeywell. Thanks for coming out today. We're at the Monroeville opening event for our training center, and Tegan's on hand with some of his products. So we talked a little bit already about a few of these things. Kind of walk us through some of the really exciting products that you brought with you today.
Yeah, so we got our T10 and our T10 Plus today. So the T10 Plus is a standalone stat that is also has the ability to be a 2-wire Wi-Fi stat. Now, the benefit for this is if you have a retrofit application where you don't have enough wires and you can't pull wires, this is your get out of jail free card. You can have 2 wires from this guy, wire everything directly on this board, and then have 2 wires that go up to the thermostat, and then have the ability to use an indoor sensor, up to 20 remote indoor sensors with this thermostat.
Okay.
So have a little bit more functionality, kind of trying to replicate zoning. It isn't zoning, but try to prioritize comfort in different locations.
Yeah, so it's kind of the easy button then, it sounds like,
exactly.
If you're having wiring issues.
100%.
Gotcha, okay.
Then on the other side of the table here, we've got kind of the other end of the spectrum. You got your HVAC system, you're thinking about prioritizing your comfort, the heat and cool.
Yeah.
Then you've got your, how do I protect my home or protect my investment, if you will. Unfortunately, almost everyone's experienced some sort of water damage in their home.
Oh yeah.
This whole home shutoff valve, our new L series products, is a great way to try to minimize the damages with that. So we have our L5 whole home shutoff valve here. It comes with one 5-foot cable. This cable is just an added sensor that you can go maybe wrap around the water heater. If in a perfect world your water main is near your water heater. Then we have our L1 water leak detector. Now this is another Wi-Fi device. It's a 2 AA battery powered device. It works on the same app as that T10 thermostat does. So you can give that homeowner kind of the whole solution under one portfolio. Hey, I've got your thermostat here. I've got your shutoff valve system. That way everything can be under one app. They can see everything and monitor it when they're away. You can hook up these just as a standalone device to work with the T10. Otherwise, you can work this guy in with the shutoff valve, and then when that leak detector detects a leak, within 8 seconds it'll automatically shut that valve off. That way, hopefully you're protecting or limiting the damages of the water leaks in that home.
And you're saying that's the main valve to supplies your whole house with water.
Exactly.
So there'll be no water coming out when that sensor picks up a leak.
Yep.
Okay.
So if something like your washing machine, your dishwasher, or your water heater were to fail, you can minimize the damage and hopefully not have to worry about any big cleanups. And another thing to look into, with some insurance companies, you might be able to get a break on your property insurance as well. So that's another thing to look into.
Kind
maybe
of a
saving a little bit of money.
tool then.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, that looks really nice. I mean, and everything you said syncs together on the app.
Yep.
Okay.
Try to have a whole connected solution, or connected and protected home, if you will.
Sounds good. All right. Well, if you're interested in any of the Residio Honeywell products, come on out to one of the branches, talk to your branch manager, your customer support folks at the counter, or even the territory sales managers. So anything coming this year, 2024, it's a big year. You have anything exciting you guys are really pumped about that you're talking about right now?
You know, I think a big push is making sure that you are getting the homeowner the solution that they need. So making sure that you're offering things that maybe you wouldn't think that the homeowner would want, but if you don't offer it, you might not be able to get that sale. So making sure that you're including things like Wi-Fi or water leak detection, that sort of stuff. And we got some new exciting stuff coming in 2024 on the L series. So stay tuned for that. We got some more fun products for you.
Well, I can tell you, as someone who's suffered a flood from a piece that malfunctioned on a water softener and it fell out overnight, that is really interesting, especially that you can put them in different areas. So very cool.
Exactly.
All right. Well, that'll do it for us today. Appreciate Tegan coming out, spending the day with us. Until next time, thanks a lot.